Are you looking for a sanitary parts supplier that's faster than a speeding bullet, more reliable than a locomotive, and can leap over long lead times to meet your deadlines? You don't need this guy.
Wait, what?
You need a supplier that offers a wide range of sanitary processing equipment, installation material, and has a robust supply chain infrastructure that can get those parts in your hands quickly. At CSI, we love to save the day for our customers, and our 4 warehouses across the U.S. allow us to ship products quickly to destinations around the globe. Doing good, Adam? Plus, our ever-growing inventory of over 80,000 SKUs includes products such as
sanitary pumps,
seal and surface kits,
valves, tubing,
fittings,
AL6XN and Hastelloy C22 super alloys,
tank equipment,
ornamental lawn animals, and pipe tight. Just kidding about the ornamental lawn animals. No one wants those. We offer same-day shipping on thousands of products from brands such as Alfa Laval, Anderson Negala, TruClean, and Amco. That's getting product into your hands faster than a hipster can Instagram their coffee order, a Gen Z can post a new dance on TikTok, and a millennial can order avocado toast. With quick ordering on the CSI store and our knowledgeable customer service team ready to answer any of your questions, CSI is your source for hygienic processing equipment. To place an order, visit store.csidesigns.com or give us a call today at 417-831-1411.